Hi guys, welcome to my English learning YouTube channel, Bringlish School. Today we are going to discuss 20 well-known English idioms. Do you want to check yourself? Let's go! Before we start, let's discuss what is an idiom. So idiom, it is a phrase that we cannot translate directly. So we just have to understand the meaning from the context, or we have to learn these idioms and to use them in our everyday speaking routine. Let's start with the first idiom, bite the bullet. Even though the test was hard, I had to bite the bullet and finish it. So how do you think? What it means? So this idiom means to accept unpleasant or difficult situation. Next idiom is to break the ice. For example, I told a joke to break the ice. So the idiom to break the ice means to initiate a conversation when you see some people for the first time and you feel uncomfortable. Next idiom is to burn the midnight oil. For example, I stayed up late burning the midnight oil to finish my work. It means to study or work late at night or early mornings. Next idiom is cost an arm and a leg. That new phone costs an arm and a leg, so I can't buy it right now. This idiom means that something is very expensive. Next idiom is to cry over spilled milk. Yes, we made a mistake, but there is no point in crying over spilled milk. The idiom to cry over spilled milk means to regret something that has happened before and we cannot change anything about it. Next idiom is cut to the chase. Instead of a long story, let's cut to the chase and get to the point. This idiom, cut to the chase, means to get to the main point without unnecessary details. Next one is hit the nail on the head. You hit the nail on the head when you guessed my favorite color. So the idiom hit the nail on the head means to identify a problem or issue correctly. The next idiom is to jump on the bandwagon. When new product was introduced, everyone jumped on the bandwagon and started using it. So this idiom means to join others in doing something that has become fashionable or popular. So the next idiom is let the cat out of the bag. Don't let the cat out of the bag about this secret party. It means to reveal a secret that was supposed to be confidential. The next idiom is well known. I have never met a person in my life who doesn't know this idiom. A piece of cake. Writing a poem was a piece of cake for my little sister. So the idiom a piece of cake means that something is very easy to do. Pull someone's leg. You know, I was just pulling your leg when I said that you're not funny. To pull someone's leg means to tease or to joke with someone in a light-hearted manner. Next one is to spill the beans. Don't spill the beans about my surprise. The idiom to spill the beans means to disclose a secret. The next idiom is the ball is in your court. You decide where to go. The ball is in your court. It means that right now it is your responsibility to take an action or make a decision. The next idiom is throw in the towel. After trying for hours, I decided to throw in the towel on fixing my computer. The idiom to throw in the towel means to stop trying to do something because you have realized that it is impossible and you cannot succeed. Under the weather. I stayed in because I felt under the weather. So the idiom under the weather means to feel unwell or sick. Next one, break a leg. Good luck in the school play tonight. Break a leg. Usually people use it when they wish someone good luck. The next idiom is to burn bridges. Don't be rude to your colleagues. You don't want to burn bridges. It means to destroy all possible ways of going back to that situation. Next one is to hit the hay. After a long day, I was tired and ready to hit the hay. To hit the hay means to go to bed or to go to sleep. Next one is out of the blue. My friend gave me a gift out of the blue. It means that something is unexpected. And the last idiom, actions speak louder than words. Instead of just saying sorry, do something. Actions speak louder than words. It means that something what you do is more important than what you say. So, did you know all of these idioms? If not, subscribe to my channel and we will learn English together. Thank you so much for your attention. Learn English and see you later!